Okay, so again in this video I'm gonna test my English level.
In English? Take this test and find out your level. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which sentence uses the present perfect tense correctly?
Wait for me. Let me first. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm here. What is the question? Which sentence uses the present perfect tense correctly? Present perfect tense. I visited the Colosseum. I have visited the Colosseum last year. This is the correct sentence. He's spoken to me 10 minutes ago. No, she has lived in Barcelona all her life. She has lived in. Okay, she has lived in Barcelona all her life. Uh, A and C both looking correct. Oh my gosh, I visited the Colosseum last year. She has lived. A and C both are looking correct. Present perfect. Which sentence uses the present perfect tense correctly? She has lived. She has lived. I have visited. She's lived in Barcelona all her life. All her life. I think the first one. The first one. The first one. I think I also have to make the notes so which one is correct and which one was wrong.
The
So,
correct answer. She has lived in Barcelona all her life.
why the
This
first one?
sentence uses the present perfect correctly because the event started in the past and continues in the present. Question number 2. In which sentence is gradually used in the most appropriate position?
Gradually I accepted her as one of the family. Accepted gradually her as one. The first one. The first one. Again wrong.
Gradually, I accepted her as one of the family. We don't put adverbs between the verb and its object. The beginning of a sentence is a more appropriate position for gradually in this case.
Okay, thank you.
Question number 3. Which third conditional sentence is correct?
If I would have seen you, I have had said hello. If I had seen you, I would have said hello. I I have had said hello. The B.
If I had seen you, I would have said hello. To make a sentence in the third conditional, we use if plus past perfect, would or wouldn't have plus past participle. Question number 4. Complete the sentence.
He does not like the boss, neither do. Neither is, neither don't. Oh, he does not like the boss. He does not like the boss. Neither do I. Neither do I. Neither do I.
The correct answer, neither do I. We use neither plus auxiliary verb plus subject to mean also not. Question number 5. Which short answer with suppose is not correct?
Which short answer is not correct? Do you think we will make it in time? The short answer is not correct. I don't suppose not. I suppose not. I don't suppose so. Do you think we will make it in time? I don't suppose not. I suppose not. I suppose not. I suppose not.
There are two possible negative forms. We should say, I suppose not, or I don't suppose so. We can't say, I don't suppose not.
So am I right or not? Whoa. I choose. How would I? Okay.
Question number 6.
I will lend you the book in case you return it. In case you return it, so far as you return it, so long as you return it. In case,
I will
so
lend you
long
the
as.
book so long as you return it. As
Incorrect.
long as or so long as is used before saying the conditions that will make something else happen or be true. Question number 7.
Pretending. Supposing. Livy was eagerly supposing her arrival. Supposing.
The correct answer, anticipating. Levi was eagerly anticipating her arrival. The word eagerly is a strong collocate of the verb anticipate.
Oh,
Question number 8. We can use both let and allow to talk about giving and refusing permission, but which sentence is correct?
this sentence is correct. Students are not allowed to eat in class. Students are not let to eat in class. Both are correct. How? Students are not let to eat in class. Uh, Students are not allowed to eat in class. This looks good. This this sounds correct, but the B, students are not let to eat in class. Are not let to eat in class. I think both are correct, but let's see. Both are
The
correct.
correct answer, students are not allowed to eat in class. We don't usually use the passive with let. Question number 9. Choose the correct expression to complete this sentence.
Luckily, the rescue came in the nick of a minute, in the nick of date, in the nick of time. In the nick of time. See.
In the nick of time means at the last possible moment. Luckily, the rescue came in the nick of time. Question number 10. Which sentence correctly reports this question? What are you doing?
He asked me what I'm doing. He asked me what I was doing. He asked me what am I doing. He asked me what I am doing. A.
The correct answer, he asked
What?
me what I was doing. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then usually we change the tenses in the reported speech. Question number 11. Complete the sentence with the correct propositions.
It wasn't my fault. I was just at wrong place in wrong time. At the wrong place in the wrong time. See.
It wasn't my fault. I was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. To be in the wrong place at the wrong time is used for saying that something bad happened to someone because they were not lucky.
How could
Question
I
number 12.
how could I say that wrong? I just studied it. The robbery occurred in large daylight in one of the busiest parts of the town. In wide daylight, in broad daylight. I don't know. I really don't know. Large daylight, broad daylight. I think broad daylight. Broad daylight.
If a crime is committed in broad daylight, it happens in the daytime and in public. Question number 13. Which sentence is correct?
He told that he hated making mistakes. He said that he hated making mistakes. He said me that he hated making mistakes. He said me. He told me. He said that. He said B. B.
The
B.
correct sentence. He said that he hated making mistakes. We usually follow tell with a personal object. We follow say immediately with a noun clause. If we want to put a personal object after say, we use the word to. Question number 14. Choose the correct form of the verb in the sentence.
We digged a hole and planted the tree. We digged a hole.
We dug a hole and planted the tree. Question number 15. Complete the sentence.
I'm feeling poor and I'm going back to bed. I'm feeling poor. I'm feeling poor.
The correct answer, poorly. I'm feeling poorly and I'm going back to bed. We use the adjective poorly when we mean unwell or sick. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your level with us in the comments below.
Mine was 7 correct, and it is well done. I am not fantastic, not 11 to 15. No, I am between 6 to 10. Oh, oh, I am well done. Well done. 7. Okay. Oh, I need more practice, more practice, more practice, more practice. See you later. See you later.